everybody, I'm back. As you can hear from the sweet exhaust night. Well, as you can tell already, what the fuck happened? Let me explain. So, my Honda Aurora, I still have it. Well, it's been too damn hot to work on it lately. Right there now, man. Yeah, so it's way too hot to work on it as of lately. Because it's been over 110 degrees. So it's like, nah. And I really wanted a new bike because with my Honda, you know, it's a sport bike. Well, sport touring or whatever. I don't give a shit. But it's overall a sport bike. And my back can't handle it. Like 5 minutes of me on that thing, no, it's not gonna happen. Yes, this thing's straight pipe. And I like it. Anyways. So, yeah, the Honda's still being worked on and everything. I haven't had time to really work on it because it's how hot it's been. Yeah, just because of how hot it's been, really. And so, you know, I just like, you know what, I need a new bike. And a friend of mine from work had a bike, this bike specifically. You know, I've been looking around, see what else is out there. It's like, alright, I might. But, you know, I like to look around. One person after another, either it was a piece of shit or they never contacted me back. So I was like, fuck it. Talked to my friend, and you know, I looked at it and everything. Pretty decent condition. Except for the back tire, there wasn't any. So yeah, I got that changed out. Spark plugs were loose. Got that tightened up. Air filter were not even there, so I got new filters. And some other things here and there, really. But overall, I like this bike. Because when I bought it, it had only about, what, 6,600 miles on it? And just, actually today, I put over 200 miles on it today. For about 2 hours. No, 230 miles on it today. Over 230 miles today. And, well, I didn't realize it. I was like, when I got home, I was like, shit, I want to keep riding still. But I was too tired, so I didn't do that. Yes, I'm riding it again. Don't judge me. I actually like this bike a lot. I'm a cruiser guy now. Because I can't, you know, I understand, like, you know, some people are able to go full-on touring with their fucking Ninjas and CBRs and shit. Well, good for you. Must be fucking nice. I can't do that. But I like this bike a lot. So, here's a review of the 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan 750. Now, I do like this bike. This bike is actually easier to turn for me, at least, than most sport bike, actually. At least as it is for me. That's what I noticed with this bike compared with other bikes. It's easy to turn. That's because of two things. The front and rear tire. The front tire, you know how it's skinnier and everything, and then you get the rear tire, which is usually wider. On a sport bike, the rear tire, it's like a 150 or whatever. This one is, no. It's a 160 or something like that. But I don't remember. But basically, it's a smaller width of a tire than a sport bike tire. So that's what makes it really easy to turn, which I like a lot. Yeah, go around the person. Exhaust, go! That's fun. Another thing, the ergonomics of this bike is perfect for me. You know, I'm only about 5'8", 200 pounds. Yes, I know, I'm a fatty. But god damn it, I'm proud of it. only that, but it pulls pretty good for a 750. It's not bad. Not that, you know, it's not like a fucking Milwaukee or anything like that. I'll show you. Not bad. Now, there's a couple things I don't like about this bike. Oh yeah, well, one more good thing about it. The seat is goddamn comfy. Holy shit. It looks like old people's seat, but God, what the fuck? Okay. No, it's a big fan of Dallas. Anyways, the couple things I do not like about this bike. First of all, it's a bit, it only has 5 gears, not 6 gears. Another thing is that it does have a compact or some sort of like storage area in the back, but that's broken because, well, it's not there. Basically, it's made out of plastic, so a lot of times it, you know, my friend owned this. He said, yeah, one time he got a couple things in there, and next thing you know, when he came back to get it, the whole thing was gone. It just literally just flew out of the road. I don't mind if it's plastic or not, but just make it better where it doesn't fly out of shit. God damn. Let's see what else. Oh, that's pretty much just it, really. Just those two specific things. This bike's really easy to work on. Oh yeah, oh I forgot, that's right. So basically, the one bad thing about this bike is that this thing is a good gas guzzler. God, fuck, yeah, even my car does better than this. And this is the fucking cruiser. Oh, I get some bad pretty soon. Oh well. Yeah, this thing chugs up fucking gas a lot, and I'm just like, bruh. Hell, even my F4i does better gas mileage than this thing. So I don't know what's it. Probably just needs a really good tuning, but who knows. Overall, it is just dump of gas. It is just a good gas guzzler. So yeah, that's a little review on this bike. Now when it comes to turning and everything, it's actually, you got a hell of a lot more clearance than you think. I don't know the exact degree of it, but it's pretty fucking good, if you ask me. So yeah, overall, I do like the bike and everything, but it's definitely not a bike that I'm planning to keep for a very long time, you know, just to get me by for a little while, take care of it, you know. Then, I'm gonna get another cruiser. What would that be? Who fucking knows? Oh yeah, funny story. It was actually up to 2 options, actually. 2 funny options. It was either my uncle's Harley, which was a Sportster, but the engine was all torn apart, he put back together. He asked for like $2,500. No. Well, this bike with very, very low miles, ready to go, kind of. No, okay. When I got it, it needed a lot of things to be done, but really, at least it ran and runs. And for $1,800, so I was like, fuck it. See how sloppy it is. So yeah, here we're at. Bitches, coming through. Oh, this is actually there. Wonder what the fuck happened. Oh, it is Arizona, so what do you expect? You have lights on, dude? It's broad daylight. Well, let's see how the corner test does. As this guy in front of me has clearly no idea how to fucking drive. Oh, front suspension is sloppy. And yeah, I forgot the suspension is quite soft for this. Yeah, bye-bye.